welcome to Dude I Fix Shit. Got this dash cam here, Christmas gift that I just hadn't opened yet, so I'm getting around to opening it, checking it out. It's by Sharper Image, in case that matters, and I already opened it, so there's nothing in here, so we're saving some time and noise. Get that out of here. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it sucks. It's pretty good with that deal there, so that's good. And find it here. That's where the SD card goes, but unfortunately you have to have the cartridge to put the SD card in. You can't just put the SD card directly in, and it goes right in there. I'll show you what it looks like. And you will have to have something to pop it out because it's really small. Yeah, you just pop your SD card in this thing, and this part sucks. There we go. And on this one you can only have up to 32 gigs, so that's what I got. That right there is where the charger plugs in, which I've already had to plug it in because it's dead. And it sees pretty good at night too. It's back in. It's already recorded. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.